As a CEO of a textile firm aiming to compile a database of embroidery work, including designs featured in fashion shows, what ethical considerations should you bear in mind regarding the inclusion of these designs? As the CEO of a textile firm compiling a database of embroidery work, including designs from fashion shows, you should consider the following ethical considerations: 1. Intellectual property rights, 2. Cultural sensitivity, 3. Artist consent, 4. Transparency, 5. Privacy, 6. Fair use, 7. Commercial use, 8. Data protection. By adhering to these ethical considerations, you can maintain integrity and respect within the industry while protecting the rights of all stakeholders involved. As an employee of an IT company with a strict policy against unsolicited emails, how can you promote a new product to clients without violating company guidelines regarding the use of customer email addresses? To promote a new product to clients without violating company guidelines against unsolicited emails, you can consider the following strategies: 1. Opt-in email lists, 2. Personalized outreach, 3. Social media marketing, 4. Content marketing, 5. Webinars and online events, 6. Referral programs, 7. Cross-promotion, 8. In-app notifications, 9. Direct mail, 10. Customer service channels. By using these methods, you can effectively promote your new product while respecting both the company's email policies and your client's preferences. Remember to always provide clear opt-out options and maintain transparency in your communication.